I'm here to tell you about the 50th subscriber special, which is coming out pretty soon. But the cool part of it is that there's a giveaway that we're doing, and all you have to do to enter is click the link in the description for one entry, and it'll take you to a page where it asks you for an input, and there you just write whatever active environmental service you've committed to be entered. And that's really the only requirement. Just get out there, do something good for the world, and then tell me what you did. And you can get an additional entry by subscribing to my channel. So go do that, and the winner will be announced pretty soon. It is an item that's getting given away, and we have a very special episode coming for you for the giveaway. So, see you later.